Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks, child safety locks, passenger airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.